Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Bharti and today I'm back with you with the story. As you know, nowadays most of the children are addicting to eat junk food. They avoid eating healthy food. So I think this story will be beneficial for them to listen. So listen this story. Let's see. Once there was a boy. His name was Chinku and he was 10 years old. He doesn't like to eat healthy food. He always avoid eating homemade food. He always say, I want junk food, I want chips, chocolates, all that things. His parents always get worried about him. One day, when he came back from school, he asked his mother, he said, Mama, I'm hungry, give me something to eat. Then his mama said, Yes, I have made a very tasty rice pulao. We will eat that together. Then he said, No, Mama, I don't want to eat that. Then his mama said, Okay, then you can eat fruits. Then he replied, No, I just want to eat pastry, pastry, pastry. Then he'd take money from his mother and just ran away and eat that pastry. Then his mama said, It's okay. At the same night, when he was having dinner with his parents, he again refused to eat that chapatis and mixed veg. Then his father scolded him and said, If you don't want to eat that, then it's okay. There is nothing for you to eat. After that, he'd take the chapati and put some vegetable on it and make a roll and said, Okay, I will eat this in my room. His parents said, Okay, but he was too stubborn that he don't want to eat that. So what he do? He make the roll and while going to his room, he threw that roll in the flower pot. The next day, when he was getting ready to go to school, then his mother came to him and said, Baby, your milk. Then what he replied? Do you think he wanna drink milk? They doesn't prefer drinking milk. Then what he said? He again make a plan to make her mother full. What he said? He said, Okay, Mama, I want to eat cookies along with the milk. He said, Mama, just go and take some cookies for me. Then his mama went to kitchen. Then what he do? He take the glass of milk and threw that from the window. And when his mama came back to him, then he told her lie by saying, I have finished my milk. And he went to school. The same day, it was around 12 p.m. While his mama was cleaning the house, what she noticed, she saw the chapati roll in that big flower pot and she got very angry to Chinku. Suddenly his father came inside and asked from his mother that who threw milk outside. Then his mama got more angry and said Chinko is such a bad boy. Then they decided that we should do something for him. Then Chinku's parents decided to meet his teacher. They went to school and told the whole story of his stubbornness to his teacher. Then what his teacher said? She said, Yes, I have a solution. I can do something for you. Or I can try something for you. Then he said, Okay, but a few days later, it was Chinku's birthday and all his friends came to his house to attend birthday party and his teacher also joined him. And while going back to home, she gifted a plant to Chunnu. And you know what she said? She said, This is a magical plant. If you take care of this plant, then all your wishes come true. After listening this, he got too happy. He felt joyful. Then he think, wow, I can now fulfill my all wishes. I will eat my favorite food, chocolates, pastries, ice creams. He was very happy. Then he decided to take care of his plant. But a few days later, he realized that the plant is dying. Then he went to his mother and asked, Mama, I think the plant is drying. What do you think? What I should put in this? Then his mama said, When you get thirsty, what do you like to drink? He said, I like to drink cold drink. She said, Okay, then take a bottle of cold drink and put that in this plant. He done the same. But after some days, he feel that plant is appearing more dull than before. Then he think, this time I will go to my father. He will tell me the best thing. He went to his father and asked, Papa, My plant is looking so dull. Tell me something full of nutritions which will help this plant growing. Then his father said, "Oh my God, you're talking about nutritions." He said, "What you like to eat when you feel hungry?" He said, "I like to eat chips, kurkure." Then his father said, "Okay, take a packet of chips, crush them, and put it in this pot." Then he did the same, but a few days later, he noticed that the plant came out with roots. Then he became very, very sad. Very sad. When Chinku was feeling sad, then his parents went to his room and tell, "Oh my dear Chinku, don't be sad. Just think. You know that plants also breathe like humans. Yes, na? Then if these things which you like these fast food items doesn't help the plant growing, then how can they are helpful for you?" I hope you understand, na? Then Chinku comes to know the value of healthy food, that I should eat healthy food. Then he promised his parents that he will not eat that kind of items, or he will avoid these. So children, I hope you understand my motive of telling this story. So please avoid eating these things. If you like this story, then please hit the like button and like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.